Cleaning your home has never been so exciting thanks to this futuristic robot vacuum from Samsung. Smart Control enables you to control the robot to clean while you're out, or use the point cleaning function to clean specific areas while you're at home. Come back to a clean home and effortlessly clean up spills. Powerful suction is provided thanks to cyclonic suction technology and a digital inverter motor. The vacuum can move from hardwood onto carpet or tile with ease. Great if you have different floor surfaces throughout your home. The high-performance sensors and onboard digital camera map out your home to create a floor plan and calculate the ideal cleaning path. Every inch will be covered and you don't have to lift a finger. Have your home cleaned while you're at work so you can sit back and relax thanks to this powerful Samsung robot vacuum cleaner.